Hello and welcome to my channel. This is you're going to get a new project where it will be like the terminal is syncing. So first of all, we'd like to write import time. So this is something really funny. Like, bro, how much could you sync? While true for the in, open up this brackets dot comma dot comma dot colon. Okay, so next thing we'd like to do is print our syncing close the string plus d comma and equals two strings. Yep, guys. So next thing we like to do is just write time sleep 0.5. So okay, guys, let's save it up. Time. So okay, guys, let's save it up and let's run it. Syncing. So okay, guys, it was all for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye. So how could the AI sync so much?